Okay, here we go. So we are learning to create a Google Earth video for the beginning of your video CMA for realtors. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to go through this process. So I have downloaded the Google Earth Pro desktop version. And the reason why I'm not on just Google Earth is because the Google Pro desktop version, which is free, has the movie maker. And I could not find this option anywhere on the internet-based version. So when you click on Tools, Movie Maker, and Tools is right up on the top left. Now, before you do anything, when you click this Create Movie button, this thing's going to start record. So make sure you know where your movie's going to go. I have recorded this now 3 times because I could not find my video. So this is important. 100K is where I'm putting mine. I'm going to type in my address. Let's see, how about you can already have these cut and pasted. You don't have to type them by hand. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I'm going to click Create Movie, but right after I click Create Movie, I'm going to click that search button so that we don't have a lot of dead time in the beginning of this video because I really don't want to edit it. So I know where I'm saving, Create Movie, search. Oh, do I want to overwrite the last one I did? Why, yes, I do. And then search very quickly. And it starts to spin. It's looking for my house. And in the top center, it says finish. So as soon as this thing stops moving, I would click that finish button so you don't have to trim the end of your movement. So, all right, we have filled in. And if my Zoom, there we go. Okay, so finish. All right, fantastic. So now what we do is close out of the Google app and then find it in your, where you've saved it, 100 days, new folder, and let's look and see if this was it. So in the beginning of your unsolicited video CMAs, you've got about this 23-second. And if your Zoom buttons aren't covering the finish button, click it much quicker. You won't have this end lag time. So I tell you what, go get them. It's super exciting stuff, easy to use. If you need anything, Instagram, DM me, Paige Whitney, AZ. See you soon.